Komori is aiming to extend new print possibilities and achieve richer print communications with its customers. Open new pages. Komori is evolving. We have expanded our business beyond the manufacture of offset presses to include digital printing systems, post-press machines, printed electronics, and consumables and supplies. Komori is extending the new possibilities of print with all of these products. Based on the concept of connected print, Komori is offering new value by connecting all products and processes, connecting offset and digital. Now, this Impremia IS29 digital printing system is the symbol of Komori's opening new pages. So what's the magic of Komori connecting offset and digital? That's exactly what we're going to show you in our demonstration this afternoon. KP Connect, that connects the customer's plant and Komori by cloud service, allowing you to see operating conditions anytime, anywhere, really easily. Now, the Komori Case Station 4 printing task control software that connects all the processes, connecting from pre-press to the final product. Komori is offering a wide range of new business models that extend to the final product by adding post-press equipment to its product lineup. Connecting hardware and software, and connecting the machine and materials. Materials such as the Optimum HUV ink, cleaning fluid, blankets and rollers for Komori presses that were developed by concentrating Komori know-how. Komori is evolving, extending the new possibilities of print by proposing all solutions for print, offset, digital, printed electronics, materials and equipment. So, let's open new pages together. So to show the fusion of the Impremia IS29 with offset at this drupa, this demonstration will feature colour matching with the Lithrone GX40RP for commercial printing on your left, output of a premium paper folder, and the printing of on-demand personalised packaging that expands the business opportunities of the Lithrone GX40 for long-run package production on your right. So what would a printing company look for in an inkjet machine? That's precisely the theme of the IS29, developed to pursue new possibilities of digital printing. So how would a printing company combine offset and digital printing? What are the advantages? So the freedom to print on the same stocks on offset and inkjet without any pre-coating or special processing. High print quality that mirrors offset quality. The ability to print single or double-sided and being able to send the work to post-press right after printing. Now, the Impremia IS29 UV inkjet digital printing system was born out of the pursuit of these very goals. So we're going to output a few copies of a fashion catalogue that's colour matched to an offset press. Posters with vivid colours on various papers and a premium paper folder. So the business model put forward in the demonstration is a printing company presenting a sales promotion idea to a fashion brand. We're going to output a small number of copies of a catalogue that's colour matched with offset. Okay, so perfecting printing on matte paper is now finished for our first job. So the IS29 is now going to make the presets for the poster that we're going to output for our second job. So have a look at this. So I have a sample here that was printed on the Lithrone GX40RP. And over here we have a sample from the Impremia IS29. I'm holding a sample printed with HUV ink, and next to me is the sample with the inkjet IS29. Both printed, same image, same paper. They look about the same. And if you come and take a closer look after this demonstration, we've actually put in here a copy from the IS29 and the output from the GX40 next to each other. And you can see how easily we can color match these two together. And I'll explain a little bit more about the K color and the color matching in just a second, but also do take a look at our book. All of this was printed on the Impremia IS29. So again, have a look at this before you leave here this afternoon. So, the color matching, K color chart. Have a look at this. So this is the K color chart. And the reason we are able to color match the offset with inkjet so easily is that the color gamut inside the IS29 is much bigger than that of the offset press. So we print the K color chart, and then we are able to color match both the output from the offset and that from the digital, the IS29. I'll leave that there, Gav. So color matching of offset and inkjet that was inconceivable before. Thanks to the K-Color Simulator 2, the Komori developed color management system, it's now possible to output work from the inkjet system that approaches offset. So when a printing company installs the IS29, volume printing that you would do on offset and then the printing of small runs on the IS29 is now possible. So let's talk a little bit about that K-Color Simulator 2. It's got a simple color management system. Both offset and inkjet machines first print the K-Color chart. Colors are then measured by the PDC-SX, thank you Misha, or the I102, and the color profiles are created. Thank you. Color that approaches offset is then automatically output from the inkjet machine. Very simple process and doesn't require any special operator training. I will show you these in a bit more detail in a second. Lovely, thank you. So, we've seen color management. This is our next job, an A2 poster. Printing's done. And we've got two different posters on two different kinds of papers that are difficult to print by offset. And we've also got the same image on fine paper and also on coated paper. We're going to output a poster that uses a wide color gamut RGB as well. Okay, so camera's now switched to the view of the inside of the press, and the posters are being output by variable printing. We're going to do we've done 7 copies of each of the 4 images, 28 sheets finished in about 40 seconds. So here's the first one. This is a linen sheet. Now this has a very rough surface. Inkjet can print even on stocks that are difficult to print with offset because the ink is laid down smoothly. The second sample uses a stock that is difficult to dry with oil-based printing. And since the IS29 uses UV ink, even this type of paper can be printed. Our third sample is a finer paper. This enables very sharp reproduction because there's no deterioration of the dots since UV ink is used and it's cured before penetrating the paper. Then we've got the same image on gloss paper. The Impremia IS29 widens the range of work. It can print this kind of poster with its vivid RGB colors that could not be reproduced with offset. Thanks, Gav. So second job's done. The IS29 made the presets for the front and the reverse side printing of heavy stock for our third and our final job. So here we're going to explain in detail the features of the Impremia IS29 once more with video. So the feed is on your right, printing unit is in the center, and the delivery is on the left. Sampling tray is installed at the top of the delivery. Now the printing unit is packed with unique Komori technology, stable paper transfer, and an automatic gripper-to-gripper perfecting changeover device. A large triple-sized cylinder is in the center of the printing unit, and the inkjet heads are above the cylinder, and the LED UV lamp is installed in the rear. Okay, so let's look at the paper flow. Okay, so there's no paper waste at all. Inkjet printing starts with the first sheet. The ink is then cured by UV, and the sheet then passes inline sensors and is sent to the delivery. Now, as soon as one job is finished, the sampling for the next job is performed, and if the data's all okay, it's immediately printed. Now, changeover to perfecting takes just a few seconds. So the reverse is printed with the flow that's shown here, and the sheet is then sent to the delivery side. The IS29 can be optionally equipped with a workstation that enables total workflow coordination, including the coordination of job information with the front-end MIS, one-touch job presetting of the machine, offline inspection with comparison of PDF and printing results, and color management with offset. You can also offer high added value printing with the IS29 with stocks like these. So let's have a look at this. This sheet is a metallized paper called off-metal silver. Now, the woodblock print embossed texture on this is a first. How about so this paper is called NT Soufflé Snow White. Now, when you touch this, you'll see that the paper with its raised surface would be impossible to print with offset. And finally, this one. So this is first vintage linen. Now, this is like Japanese washi. An old map has been printed onto it. Thank you very much, Misha. Okay, so turn it around that way. Now, the samples I've just shown you are displayed in front of us. Please do come and take a closer look before you leave this afternoon. So the paper folder on heavy stock has now been finished. Here's a sample. Now, perfecting printing takes about 2 seconds per sheet. So we've done 10 sheets, 20 seconds. So this is the reverse. The back side of the folder is the front of the folder. Now, can you tell that it's got creasing and fine die cutting? Well, let me show you. So the fine die cutting has been produced on the Hicon Euclid 2 digital cutting and creasing system. Now, the Hicon Euclid 2 offers the world's first fully on-demand digital die cutter by using laser and digital rule generation technology. Now, Hicon is the only company in the world offering inline one-pass creasing and cutting by laser, and Komori has entered into a sales partnership with Hicon in Japan. So our demonstration on the IS29 is complete, and the samples are here for you to come and take a closer look in a moment. The Impremia IS29 from Komori provides you the tools to add new customers, new types of work, and of course, to help you open new pages. Thank you very much for your time this afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Thank you. Thank you, Misha.